Okay, in this video, I'm going to share with you how do you kickstart using WhatsApp Contact. The main purpose of WhatsApp Contact is to really help you be able to engage your audience, to manage your audience, to comfort your audience, and also to automate your messages when you engage your clients. Now, so the first thing you will need to do is to connect your mobile phone to WhatsApp Contact. So you can do it over here under WhatsApp accounts, and you will be able to see at least one of these channel that you are being allocated. You can have multiple channel by subscribing to more channels through our sales team. Now, so if you have one channel, the first thing you will see will be a button here, which is a play button. Right now it is not a play button because it's already connected, but you will see a play button. Click on the play button. Wait for a few moments and a QR code will appear in front of you. And then you make use of your phone, pick it up your phone and open up WhatsApp. That's where you will that's where you will need to find the place in WhatsApp to link to your WhatsApp contact account. Yeah. So the process is exactly like how you connect to your WhatsApp desktop. So once you have connected, you'll see that the status is online and WhatsApp is ready. The next thing you would like to try would be to start sending a message to yourself or your colleague. So you can start to send a message to someone, or you can select a group chat and get group chat over here, and it will be a message will be sent to the group chat within your phone. Of course, you can have multiple group chat. Select. Yep. There you go. All right. Now, you can also do broadcasting. You can do the same thing by going into your WhatsApp account and select multiple group chat that you would like to send directly. Okay, so from here, you will then be able to do a scheduling, set up the date that you would like to send this message out, and of course, type your message. Okay, so click submit, and at the right time, at the scheduled time, your message will be sent out to all these groups. Next, this is the place where you can import all your contact. You can import from phone, from group chat. If it is from phone, the system will grab all your contact from your for your WhatsApp contact. From your WhatsApp address book. And if you would like to import from your group chat, you can do the same thing. Click on the group chat, import, and you can see that there are multiple contacts over here. So if you have a group that has got more than that has a lot of contacts within, you can just click select to this group and it will all be imported into WhatsApp contact. Now, you can also segmentize them into various groups so that you can set up automation. So for example, this group, which is spree ads, you can add contact within this group so that you can create an automation to tell WhatsApp contact what to do after the contact is being added. Now you can see that you have two options here: what to send when the contact is added, what to do when the contact is removed. Or you can set as all events, and you can then set up the automation over here, send a media, add a contact, or ignore or remove number. Okay, so after the contact, the next part that I would like to show you is the chat area here. So this chat area is to allow your users that are external, that are not using your phone, to also reply to messages. So you can see that there are multiple chats over here. I, if for example, I am actually off away from my phone or away from the WhatsApp number, I am still able to reply to these messages here. Now next, this is another killer feature which is under WhatsApp accounts, which is the auto reply feature. So click on auto reply, and you can see that we can add rules. So in this case, let's go to add rules, and then set up the condition. So what does condition mean? Condition means if there's anyone who send a text to you to this number. For example, right now I want to set 9999. Okay, what should I do? What should WhatsApp contact do? Okay, so we can choose to reply a message or a processor. So a processor is a specific algorithm that we have added into your account. So that is actually very specific, and we will need to do a customization for you. But for normal users, what you will need to create is mainly automation. So take for example, if somebody send in 9999 to your channel, to your number, what should be done next? Okay, so over here you can set automation. When somebody send you a message 9999, you can actually create the next action to take. You can send text, send media, add a contact group, or get contact details from WhatsApp itself, or add chat group and add chat group participant, conditional data manipulation, and so forth. So do not be confused between add contact and add chat group. Okay, add contact means to add this contact who had sent you a message into WhatsApp contact address book. Add contact group means to add this same contact into a group. So where is add contact and where is contact group? Let's take a look here. It is located over here. If it is adding a contact, this contact will be listed here. If it's adding into a contact group, the same contact will be added into a group that you have selected. Now let's go back to the rule that we have just created, which is equal 9999. So we should do some actions over here. So the next part that we might want to next action we would like to do is probably to get a contact details from WhatsApp. So for example, if this originator, which is the person who sent to you the message, okay, you would like to be able to add and collect or rather grab their name, their phone number, and their profile information. So you can then add this action. Now after you add this action, the next part, okay, is typically to add a contact, okay, because you have already grabbed the information from WhatsApp profile. So we would like to add the contact name. Now how do I really get the contact name? You can get the information that are being grabbed from the previous action, right? So if you click on this get contact details from WhatsApp, you will see that a list of variables will be listed down. Now there are so many information that are being grabbed from WhatsApp from WhatsApp profile itself. Now choose the right one that you would like to enter into this field. You can choose the contact name to be placed here. You can choose the phone to be which is the contact number to be inserted, right? Or if there's any email, which there isn't any email information here, so we can leave it blank and update later, right? And the group. So over here, typically we will add in the name from the profile, so we'll just put in the name, and for phone number will be the originator, okay, or you can use the contact number here. Okay, so these two values should be the same. Why? Because whoever that sent to you WhatsApp contact will be able to recognize the number. So it will be the originator, and of course, when you try to get the profile, WhatsApp user profile, the number which is shown here will be the same number as the original number. Yep. So click on add action, and over here you can see that there's an automation being created. Right. So first, whenever anyone send to you 9999, you can get the WhatsApp profile information. Once you get the WhatsApp profile information, you'll be able to use that information and put them into a contact. And of course, from here, you can choose other take action types that you would like to um, take. Yep. So from here, you'll be able to create a chat group with that originator, which is the one, whoever that sent you the text 9999. Yep. Or you can get the information and create a condition. Right. So for example, if the specific number is 12345, okay, what is the next thing that you need to do? So let's click on the action. Alright, so over here you will see that there are two conditions, two possibility outcomes after the condition is being met. So if the condition is true, you will go to the next action over here. If it is false, you will then go add another action over here. Okay, so if it is true, we can continue to choose the next step that we would like to take. Yeah, so the possibility of this automation is really endless. Yeah, so it really depends on your creativity. The next part will be to activate the auto reply automation. Now, so you can see that I've already completed. If somebody message to our channel, which is this number 80727062 with an 8888, these actions will be automatically taken, right? So let's take a look at this. What is happening? Okay, when somebody send a message 8888, an action will be taken. Right, contact information will be drawn from WhatsApp profile, and with that information, we will do a data manipulation. Okay, which is to make sure that the fields are valid. Okay, which means it is not empty. Okay, if it is empty, we will check if the profile name is empty. If it's empty, we'll use the push name. If it is empty, we'll use the short name. If it is also empty, we will use the action number, okay, as the name itself. Then after that, we will add in a contact into the contact, and we will create a group. Okay, in this case, you can see that even the file image is being originated over here. Yep. So if you want to upload again, we can do that again. Upload the file, alright, and save. Okay, so if you look carefully over here, when I add a chat group, there is a chat group name as well. So by using this variable, the chat group name will always be different. Now next, the last part is to send a message. Yep, so do try it. Send a message to this number over here, 80727062, which is a WhatsApp number 650. Let me repeat myself. 65807277062. Send a message 8888. Yet you will see for yourself the automation that's being triggered and being processed. So that's all for today's video. I will have more videos for you with more tips.